Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to borrow money from Cash App. This is latest update, guys. So first of all, you need to open your Cash App. Then you need to click your profile icon on the top right and scroll down until you will see the borrow option. If you don't have borrow option inside this menu, that means you don't have this feature yet and you need to activate it. There's one way how to activate it. First of all, you need to verify your identity. So you need to go through verification. And after that, you will be able to activate the borrow function. If you still don't have access to borrow function after the verification, there's another way how to do it. You need to use Cash App frequently. You need to pay a lot of things using Cash App. You need to send and receive money. So if you use this app very often, they will activate borrow function inside your Cash App account, guys. And if you still don't have a borrow function, you can do another thing, guys. You can click support. Then you need to search borrow. And here are some articles, they might help you. And if you didn't find anything helpful, you can scroll down and click the chat. Right here, you can directly contact the Cash App support. You can explain your issue that you want to activate the borrow function, and they will give you an instruction on what you can do to activate this function, guys. Usually it takes 1 or 2 days to receive answer from them, guys. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.